In today's video, you are going to learn how to send money to Chinese supplier step by step using Alipay without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tauba, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. With that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can send money to your Chinese supplier using Alipay. Step by step tutorial. So let's.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you copy the account number. So this is the account number I'm going to send money to in China. First thing first, I'll have to make sure I click and hold down. I make sure I highlight. Then I'll make sure I come to the top right here and I click on copy. Having copied the account, I have to make sure I paste it right here. Then I will make sure I highlight only the account number is needed right here. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I copy. Then after copy the account number, I will have to head over to my Alipay right here. I'm going to click on my Alipay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I make use of my search engine right here to paste the supplier account number. I will click and hold down and I'll make sure I paste the account number. Having pasted the account number, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on transfer. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to enter the figure. I'm sending 158 yuan to the supplier. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on transfer. Then I'll click on confirm. Then enter my payment password. So you can see payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do right now is to make sure I screenshot this page. Then I'll send the proof of payment back to the person that asked me to make the payment right here. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to send money to supplier in China, step-by-step tutorial. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So each time I post content about importation business, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tauba or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, just like what this person asked me to do right here, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.